highlights the folks who do the jobs you never would. Let's all discover the not-so-sweet smell of success on Dirty Jobs. All new episodes tonight at 9 on the Discovery Channel.
Do you want to make $300 in the next 5 minutes? That's exactly how long it takes to go to GoldenPalace.com, the #1 internet casino, and claim your $300 sign-up bonus. That's right, GoldenPalace.com gives you up to $300 on the house to play all your favorite games, like blackjack, roulette, craps, more slots than you've ever seen, including a $1 million slot machine, and, are you ready for this, a $5 million slot machine. Can you imagine becoming a multi-millionaire with just one spin? Well, it can happen at GoldenPalace.com. GoldenPalace.com also has the world's leading online poker community. You can play Texas Hold'em against thousands of players from all over the world. GoldenPalace.com brings all the fun and excitement of Vegas to the comfort of your own home. It's the only place to play. Come and claim your $300 sign-up bonus today and see why millions of people worldwide have made GoldenPalace.com the #1 internet casino and poker room. That's GoldenPalace.com. Get your $300 free today.
Soho No. So, small office, your 3 or 4 employees. Ho, home office. Your home is, well, your office. No, no office. You're an on-the-road jet-setting entrepreneur. Soho No. Got Vmail is the outsourced phone system designed for small businesses with 1 to 10 employees. It requires no additional equipment or software, can be used from anywhere with any phone, and can be instantly administered online. Features include a virtual toll-free or local number, multiple extensions, dial-by-name directory, music on hold, and much more. So if you're a Soho No small business, get the functionality of a corporate phone system today starting at $9.95 a month. Sign up today at gotvmail.com. That's GOTVMAIL.com. That's GOTVMAIL.com. Got Vmail, the professional sound of today's small business.
What's this? Sexy music?
Yeah.
Is this commercial or?
It's a commercial, yeah.
Oh, because I want to get back to these revelations and wrap that up. What do you got here?
I believe it's Golden Palace.
Oh, GoldenPalace.com. Longtime sponsor of this show, whether we were on Testicle Radio or this radio. Is your resolution to make more money this year? Well, I don't understand this. $300. They give you $300. These guys. For free, and then you can go on and gamble with it? That sounds like a good deal. I mean, do I have that right, or is there some hidden catch on that?
Well, do you have to add more money to it or something?
No, you give you $300 and you go gamble with it.
Yeah, I believe that's the deal. Free money.
Free money. Want to dance?
Sure.
We got to do our own Dancing with the Stars. We really do.
That's good.
Why? You think dancing with me is gay just because I had a nose job and liposuction?
Well, if you didn't have that done, maybe.
Baccarat, craps, roulette, poker, slots. All that stuff, man.
Hookers.
Yeah, everything but the hookers at GoldenPalace.com. How sweet it is. Go to GoldenPalace.com for your $300 today. Could be the best decision you ever made. That's GoldenPalace.com, the finest online casino and poker room in the world. Thank you, GoldenPalace.com. Wow. Look at this. Dramatic. Let's see how this plays out.
This is just the revelation music.
Yeah, that's all. He's waiting for more revelations. You didn't recognize this under your dramatic story?
My revelation?
It was right under your one chin.
See, I don't know. I seem to be taking a lot of shit from my revelation. Gary, you said you had one more angle on this, and then we do have to get to the rest.
The only thing I'm going to say, at risk of Robin calling me a brown nose and asshole and everything else, is that the one reason why this is embarrassing to you is because the fact that it will be picked up by the larger press. People outside of our universe will now know this. Like, my mother's going to know it, and my aunts are going to know it. And people who don't listen to the show are going to know it. They're going to be like...
when does he run into that?
And all of my beauty...
but I'm saying that
and all of my beauty will be attributed to a surgeon.
A much wider audience will be aware of it.
That's the real problem.
They're going to say he wasn't that beautiful on his own?
Okay, that's the real problem.
That's the real
also,
problem.
the other real problem is what Tom's saying on the phone here. Go ahead, Tom.
Hey, Tom. This is Tom from New Hampshire. I just wanted to say... kind of comment on Robin demeaning your revelation. I mean, you kind of like a celeb to the people, you know. That's how me and my friends see you. And this really kind of takes you out of that league, you know what I mean? Doing
That's right. That's right.
Plastic surgery thing.
The guy standing out there, 5,000 strong, 10,000 strong, whatever the number was on our last day, you know, it makes me less of a man of the people. That's absolutely right.
They were misinformed. You were never a man of the people. You were a guy who get your nose fixed.
But I was fooling everyone that I was a man of the people. Hey, fuck you. Lots of men of the people get their noses done. Lots of men of the people get their noses done. George Flowers, for example.
George Washington. Do you take that nose to noob?
George Flowers' nose is made out of wood.
Hey, let's get the headlines.
Fuck, where is he?
Here's the headlines from George Flowers. This is what Howard 100 News will be working on for the noon news, and I can imagine there's a lot. George, go ahead. What do you got for us?
Things we're covering today for Howard 100 News at 12 noon. Your revelations. You hired a doctor, and you got a nose job. Gary hired a call girl and got a no job. Is that...
That's right, a no job. Very good.
So we talked to friends, family, psychiatrists. We get information on those confessions.
Good.
Also, Benji. Where's Benji?
Right here.
I hope you analyze Robin's meat and vegetable thing.
This is a
Meat and
family
vegetable,
program. They really can't touch it.
Yeah. Sort of a half vegetarian diet of some sort.
Go ahead. What else are you working on, Howard 100 News?
Okay, Biggest Loser. Benji tries out. We'll find out what happened there.
Yeah, Benji went to The Biggest Loser, and I'll let you guys cover that because I don't want to interview Benji about it because it'll be some jive bullshit story. But go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Also, fascinating talk with George Takei's partner Brad. We'll have him on this afternoon.
Yeah, we're
Very
going to
plus more stories.
we're gonna find out how George gives a good blowjob. Yes. What else?
There's some information from Shuli.